Snow Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the least famous reindeer of all? Barnaby, Roberto, Gideon, Tallulah, Leopold, Luigi, Miriam, Medulla. If only our names were shorter, we'd be pulling those reins. Instead, we're second-tier reindeer with 3-syllable names. Who do you think pays the bills? We do. Who misses out on the thrills? We do. Who do you think cleans the spills? We do. That's the second-tier life. Who do you think packs the sleigh? It ain't easy. Who do you think shoves the hay? It gets everywhere. Who gets left out Christmas Day? You guessed it. That's the second-tier life. Mom and Dad, why'd you have to give us names that are long? We could have been Chancer or Basher or Lancer and had a chance of making the song. But instead we're Barnaby, Roberto, Gideon, Tallulah, Leopold, Luigi, Miriam, Medulla. If only our names were shorter, we'd be pulling those reins. Instead we're second-tier reindeer with 3-syllable names. It's no use. No one will ever happily sing our names in a song. Unless... Do you think they would? Would you? I can't hear you. Would you? Oh wow, this is so exciting. Okay, everyone, nice and slow to begin with. Barnaby, Roberto, Gideon, Tallulah, Leopold, Luigi, Miriam, Medulla. A little faster now. Barnaby, Roberto, Gideon, Tallulah, Leopold, Luigi, Miriam, Medulla. Oh, one last time. Barnaby, Roberto, Gideon, Tallulah, Leopold, Luigi, Miriam, Medulla. If only our names were shorter, we'd be pulling those reins. Instead, we're second-tier reindeer. What's new? Second-tier reindeer. Boo-hoo. Second-tier reindeer with 3-syllable names.